Welcome back to y'all, we're back with another anime trailer. This time we're gonna be doing, you don't know, I know you see that already, it's Chainsaw Man. I think I did a reaction to all the trailer of Chainsaw Man previously. So this is going to be like my second trailer to Chainsaw Man, and this is just giving like me hype for like this anime coming up later down this year. So let's get into this trailer, bro. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, bro. Hit that bell so you know if I upload a video, and let's get straight into this reaction. Look at this. Bro, the animation looking crazy right now. What the heck? You know they have a big budget for that. I think I heard they say they're going to use CGI in it to, you know, because of like how it's going to be difficult to animate certain things. 3D, not CGI, 3D. I say yeah, 3D. I don't know what. Maybe it's like the fight scenes. Like maybe the chainsaw they have to use 3D. I don't know, for some reason I like it already. Man, this is a big budget, like. What the heck is Benji? Bro. Dude, the part with the, I don't know if it's the chainsaw or something like that. The part with that, the part just be like, oh my goodness. Yeah. Mike. So she's using a blood as like a power, but how did they get those type of powers anyway? I could say all does. Gotta go back. If this guy head is a chainsaw, right? How does he disguise his? No, I know that person. Okay, we got people walking in black. Is it the people in the black suit that are recruiting them or something like that? That seems like it, that but I want to know how the 3D animation is looking at it. Oh! Now I get the reference, as he have the chainsaw like organ. So that means he's the one that is in like the chainsaw head. Maybe the chainsaw hiding between the eye patch or something, you know? But how he get like that, that's my question, huh? And what's up with that organization? So I just like watching a series, some type of facility or something. So they can wear like the pain in the voice. Bro, I don't know where he pulling that thing from, bro. That is just really crazy. Dude, I heard like this anime going to have a lot of deaths. With all Mr. fighting without his arms, like, dude, this guy arm caught and this guy running like nothing. Continue to fight. Dude, it's better late than never, like, reacting to the trailer. I know I've been late to reacting to the trailer, but it didn't disappoint. It really didn't disappoint. I can't wait to see, like, what Chainsaw Man is there to bring. The trailer just even much more, like, hype. And all I hear people talking about Chainsaw Man is just really crazy. And it's just, I feel like this anime is going to be, like, one of, like, top tier animes to come out, So I'm looking forward to it. As I was saying earlier on, they're going to use like 3D animation on it, um, because of like how difficult it's going to be to like animate the some scenes in the anime, you know. So we'll see that 3D, you know. So anyways, y'all, if you guys enjoy this reaction, this reaction, make sure to run up, like, please leave a comment down below, like any anime trailer, you know, if you just want to see reaction, like, you know, anime running on, you know. Subscribe if you new, hit that bell so you know, upload videos of this. Later, man.